In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to delete your Notion account step by step. Whether you're switching tools, cleaning up old accounts, or just no longer using Notion, this guide will show you the safest and correct way to permanently delete your account directly from Notion settings. Keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent and will remove all associated workspaces, so make sure you're ready before completing the final step. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Notion. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the home screen. This is the main dashboard where you can see your pages and workspaces. From here, look to the top left corner of the screen where your workspace name appears. Click on your workspace name, which might show your name or the name of the space you're currently using. In this example, it appears as Sky Space. After clicking on your workspace name, a menu will open. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Notion account and workspace. Once you're inside the settings page, look toward the left side panel and click on your account name. This is usually shown with your profile name and email address. Clicking this will open your personal account settings. Now scroll down through the account settings page until you find the option that says Delete My Account. This option is usually near the bottom, so you may need to scroll a bit to see it. When you find it, click on Delete My Account. Notion will now ask you to confirm this action. To make sure only the account owner can delete the account, Notion requires you to type in the email address linked to the account. Carefully type the exact email address associated with your Notion account into the confirmation field. After entering your email, click on the button that says Permanently Delete Account and One Workspace. This is the final confirmation step. Once you click this, your Notion account and its associated workspace will be permanently deleted. After the process is complete, you'll be redirected back to the Notion login page. This confirms that your account has been successfully deleted and is no longer accessible. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted your Notion account. If this video saved you time or helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.